get ready.
Silver and gold I have, but all that I have I give to you, and all the treasures of earth can measure to all of the love I have.
Hey guys, I've already started styling my hair. Layo is here. Let's say hi. So we are getting ready. I should be leaving here by 2. Hopefully I am right on time or right on time. Right on time is the right preposition. But anyways, so far so good. I'm feeling happy and excited. Someone's birthday is this week, okay? So I'm done getting ready. This is the look. Oh my god, I look so fine. I look so good. And this is the overall look. I think I want to add more accessories to the look, but I'm super grateful for the 3rd step of life. Yeah, he's been God so far. I don't know what to even say at this point, but literally it's been God. There are so many decisions that we've taken that we are not proud of, but there are also so many stepping stones that we have decided to boldly walk on, and it has landed us to this particular place.
Earth can measure to all of the love I have.
I'm trying to make okwa, so I've prepped everything. This is the only thing you need for it. Okwa, pepper, potage, and fish. Then there's oil, salt, and maggi. Food is ready. Nice. Hi guys, good morning. I woke up this morning to see the cats that I always feed just sitting right in front of my door. So I first fed her with this booster cat stuff. I bought it at the supermarket. She really likes it. Yes, my cat is a she, so she really likes it. Today I'm making food because I'm hosting my family and my friends to just come over and eat with me in celebration of my birthday. Okay, so we are having guests over, so let's make food. I marinated this last night. This is what's it called? This is turkey. I have chicken here, and then I have assorted in the pot there. So I think I'm going to start with the pepper soup because it's already on fire. So let's just start with it anyway. Guys, if there's something I know how to cook pretty well, it's my fried rice. Like, it's so tasty, it's so nice. So I'm going to bring it down the fire, and then I'll fry chicken and then make nkobi. Like, can you see this? Can you see this, you guys? If you bake
I don't tip waiters.
I give her all my love, that's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love her too. I love her.
So I just finished getting ready. Hold on, let me keep the camera here. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. My appointment is for 12. Not like it's for 12 anyways. I should be going out by 12. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm scared that the wind will blow and blow away my camera. Scared. But I'm carrying this bag. I'm wearing this denim. I paired it up with this. I'm not sure if I styled this in the best way possible, but I think I did. And then this bag, and then it covers the whole idea of the look. I don't know why. So, but anyways, this is how I am dressed. This is what I'm currently putting most of like my accessories for the laptop. I'm putting it in here until when my impaired stuff comes.
Very nonsense.
It's always bad.
See fire right well.
Hi guys, so I just finished work now. I'm heading home. I've been trying to get a ride, but I've been unable to get any. So I got one and I need to start heading home. It's been a long day, but we are grateful to God. It's one of those days that you're grateful that God actually provides for you. So let's head home. Guess who's back home? Me. But you guys should ignore this hair. I haven't shown you guys most of the things I got as a birthday gift. So let's do. I've already unboxed all of them. But let me just show you guys. First things first. I've already showed you the camera, so that one is a gift from my husband. However, there is something up which I'm gonna tell you probably in the next vlog when it has been finalized. So, but anyways, I got this gift from my sister, Omalicha's Craft. She gifted me this bag. What do you guys think? It's so fine. It's so pretty. I'm just imagining myself with this bag, like carrying it, styling it, and I think I want to style it today. I have like a clothes I want to like throw on, so I'm gonna style it today. You guys will see. Nice. And then I got this bag from my husband, so outside of the camera, outside of every other thing that he did for me, I got this bag. And it's from the brand River Island. I know the crazy thing. I just started making a cloth that has the same cheetah print or leopard skin, and I am excited to style both of them. However, this particular bag, I want to style it with a black, and I know it's going to come out nice. Then I got this perfume from my wife. She bought it for me. I really, the packaging is to die for, like, and the smell, it smells like one of the perfumes I have. Smells nice, smells really nice. I've not heard of this brand, but it's good. It's raining, so it has been raining heavily. It has been flooded, a lot has been happening. So we are literally indoors. Work has been shut down since Sunday because of the rain. And then my dearest sweetheart, my 19, she got this pair of Sarah heels. Thanks. It's so pretty. So pretty. The only thing is that I'm a size 41 small and a 40, which means I wear a US 40, UK 40, but a China 41. Because China legs are very small, so I wear a China 41. So I'm just gonna stretch it here so that it will get loosened a little bit and I can get comfortable wearing it. I'll just stretch it, stretch it, so that it won't be so tight. However, it's so pretty. Like, and I have something like this, but it's more on the heel. Like, I've been looking for a good 1-inch heel. Like, can you take a good look at this? Period. So these are the things I got as a birthday gift, and I'm super happy about it. Hi guys, so I just finished styling my hair. I am trying, okay, I'm trying to see what's up with this camera. My husband just reset it for me and hopefully is looking better than before. He reset it to 4K and I'm trying it out to see if I love it, and I'm not going to sell it. So hopefully this is my last trial of if I should sell it or not. Hopefully it works out pretty nice. Yeah.
Earth can measure to all of the love I have for you.
Oh, baby, come into my room.
Oh, I don't know for a hair. I'm a hair.
Baby,
Huh?
come now. Come this side.
I give her all my love, that's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love her too.
Like YouTube live.
Hi guys, so let's do a quick unboxing of everything we got from Canon. We just go back from Canon. I'm not using my tripod, so it might be a little all over the place. So my husband likes this. Let me show you. Yeah, he likes it. This is the mocha double choco. I don't know why he likes it. It's like a mixture of coffee and chocolate. He likes it. I bought cabin just because I want something to be snacking on in the afternoon when I'm not eating something solid. And then yeah, golden one. I just bought the small size because I'm not so much of a heavy eater like that. So golden one. And I saw this and I thought, oh, let's try it because it looks nice. So this is Nescafe and multi. It feels like adding Nescafe, like coffee and Ovaltine. So yeah. And then I didn't see St. Louis, so I bought golden penny sugar. And I bought this butter bread because I feel like it's going to be very, very nice. I bought the butter bread. It smells really nice though. Then we already have noodles, but we prefer a particular noodles when it comes to cooking. Am I even saying anything reasonable? So I got the standard pack of chicken pepper soup flavor, and then I bought the oriental pack. So these are the things I bought from Ebano. So, and then oh sorry, yeah, also got soya oil, and then pepper and onion and plantain. Yeah, we're gonna fry plantain and have dinner. So that is basically it.
Do you need something? Yeah, is there a database?
For you, he's able.
He's able. Anyways, yeah, I'm here with Arenze. Arenze, say hi.
Wow.
So we are right on time. Hopefully we don't run late, because this client, she warned me. She said please come early, because the last time I did her makeup I was late for the appointment, but this time I had the intentions of being early. But what delayed me this morning is my cat. My cat delayed me. But anyways, we're already on our way, so see you guys.
Biggest plus, everybody got their own fetish. So we